This is Safari.
Oh my goodness.
And that's Luke. Luke is saying hello.
Lucas.
Hey everyone, how are you? My name is Tracy. I'm from Tracy's Fancy, and I'm coming to you from Kentucky with one of my very, very best friends. This is Paige.
Hi everyone.
Look, Paige, have you ever done a live? Okay, so that tells you who's coming on. So we have one person on right now. So it shows we have someone on. Say hello when you get on, you guys. I am here in Kentucky, and I flew in this morning, and I think I had told you guys that I would be working on a baby nursery. Paige's daughter, Kelsey, is not here right now. She's on her way back from a women's retreat, and she's driving like
6 hours.
6 hours, very pregnant. Anyway, we're working on her baby nursery starting tomorrow, but I flew in this morning. Sandy's on. Hi, Sandy. Hi. Hello, Sandy. And Julie. Hi, how are you? Julie wants to know how you're doing.
I'm great.
I guess we don't get to see each other very often, so we like sit this close. And I sleep with her in her bed too, because her hubby's not here tonight. Even if he were, we'd probably have to boot him.
He would have to.
Hey, Terry. So I'm on a selfie stick. Usually, y'all know that I'm usually more like this.
Oh my goodness.
Is that better? That's better.
Okay.
It's a little wobbly. She has a little selfie stick, so we're using it.
I've never used it before, by the way.
And Brody's on. So we got in, we have lots of things planned. I'm doing a large mural wall tomorrow. We are in Paige's house right now. We'll be going to Julie is from the United Kingdom. She's from Europe. I know. She does beautiful work on furniture. Cindy, hello, Cindy. So anyway, where was I? We're in Paige's house tonight. Big mural. We ordered an entire shipment of Dixie Belle paint, and because it was a Labor Day weekend last weekend, we are a little bit delayed getting the paint, even though they're super fast at shipping. We waited probably a couple days longer than we should have. So we're doing small projects tonight at Paige's house, which I'm going to show you guys in just a second. I'm going to get on here and show y'all one project that I'm super excited about it, and I cannot wait to finish it. And I'll tell you where I got my inspiration. Hey, Robin. Hey, Julie. Oh, you're so sweet, honey. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm just trying to live a healthy lifestyle just like you, Julie.
Just so you know, I just watched her eat her dinner. I want French fries.
And just so you know, this girl right here bought all my groceries before I even got here. She had me send her a list, and she went and she spent time in the produce section, and
not my favorite
went
place.
to 2 different stores looking for certain things, and I didn't even give her hard stuff, but she's an empty nester. Her kids are grown and gone, and her and her husband eat out all the time. So she will not ever probably.
I'll eat a salad once in a while, but the stuff
she will probably never take on my way of eating. Oh, Talal is on. Talal's my mover and shaker. Hello, Talal. Talal, you guys, moves my furniture for me in San Antonio for local deliveries. Julie, she is a really great friend. I know. Hi, Teresa. So yes, you're gonna see the before, Sandy. I'm gonna show you actually a before of a small project. It's the large feature piece that will go above the dresser. Tomorrow we will be at Kelsey's house. We'll be in the nursery, and it's very blank. It's just, they did paint the walls, and they have the crib, and Grandma brought the chair, the rockers in there, but we're gonna be waiting on paint to arrive. Until then, in the entire state of Kentucky, we could only find this one tiny jar of tree frog green. Talal, you're a sweetheart, honey. We drove a really long way to get this 1 8-ounce jar of tree frog green. So we have a large 32-ounce coming in the mail. This is what color the dresser is going to be. You want to go get that blanket? Will you go get the blanket? She's gonna get the blanket. It was a baby gift from me, and it's kind of sets the theme. It's like a woodland theme. So can you see that? It's got the fur on the other side, and the trees, and we're gonna go with this for the dresser with some black wax on it. So y'all know the piece that I did that was black and white stripe on one side and green on the other. That's the green that it will be. It'll be like that. So we're doing that, and we're going to work on the mural, and I'll be, what else do we do there? That's all. I have to paint a dresser, the mural, and this feature piece. So we went to Hobby Lobby today, and I'm going to show you what I bought. So let me stand up, and I'm going to
Can I just say real quick that this friend that's sitting next to her is the least crafty person ever.
I'm not kidding, y'all. She
like Hobby Lobby gives me highs.
Yeah, Hobby Lobby makes her blood pressure go up. I mean, she really doesn't ever go in there alone. She doesn't even
I don't go there. I don't like to go there.
She doesn't even have the 40% coupon loaded on her phone. She doesn't even have the app on her phone. I'm like, you can't pay full price for that. She's like, what coupon?
We've done many projects together, but she does the cutting in and the fancy stuff, and I have the big
assistant.
roller. I have the big roller that just goes up and down.
She's the assistant. Oh, no. Paige is not having a baby. No. Paige and I were also, y'all know that I was an RN. Paige and I were RNs together too. And Paige is still an RN. Oh, Julie's going to work out. She's a workout fan. Matt went to high school with Julie.
Okay.
Yes, she's our friend now though. She's more my friend now than Matt's, right? She calls him Maddie, so probably not. I don't have a love name.
Trey.
Like Maddie. Okay, so Paige is not crafty, so I'm going to show you guys what we're going to do because I want to show you the before, and then tonight when it's finished, I will show you the after. My legs stuck. Okay, I'm going to turn this around and let y'all meet Luke, her baby. So she's an empty nester. That's Luke. Luke, say hi, Luke.
He's like, somebody's following me.
Say hi,
Luke. Say hi.
Oh, he's getting some love. Okay, so this is what we're doing. I'm gonna stand up on a chair. Hold up. All right, remember we're doing a woodland theme. So we bought this huge, this is almost as big as her dining room table. It is a large, I don't know, how much was that? Like $70 or something like that. So we got it half off. It's already framed. Now y'all know if I were at home, I would have had Matt build this for me, but for that price, for 40 bucks, the time that we would have put into it, this was so worth it. So will you be my assistant? The black part is already black, which is good because I was gonna paint it black anyway. And then I know Julie, he is like a huge teddy bear. And then they love Luke. Loving Luke. And then the frame that's around it, we're actually going to paint black because you want to stick a package of those. All of those wood pieces, we are going to fill the entire inside in with those wood pieces. So I don't want to have brown wood and a brown frame. So we're going to have a black frame with the brown wood. Then you want to go show them the M. So the baby's name is going to be named after Paige's husband, Marshall. So we're going to do a large M in the middle on top of the wood circles, and it will be painted in the tree frog green. So,
see what a good assistant I am?
Yay! Okay, let's go back. So, that's that. That's what we're doing. I'm coming down. I was up on a chair. So, what do y'all think? Y'all think that's good? I think it's a good little project. So, we got wood glue. We're going to use the wood glue to glue all the wood pieces down. And so, we're going to get to painting and gluing and painting and gluing. And then tonight, I won't do another live video tonight, but I'm going to take a picture of it and I will post it on Facebook right here, you guys, and I'll probably put it on Instagram. The dog is licking my feet. He likes to lick. He's a licker, and so he licks my arms and
he doesn't lick me. He's not allowed. I don't like it.
Yeah, he was licking my feet right now. Woo! Anyway, so it's kind of fun. It's kind of fun to do boy things. You know, I don't do a lot of things for boys, so
I wanted a girl.
Noonie.
But I'm so happy it's a boy.
Oh, that was a good save. That was a good recovery.
But girl things are so cute.
Well, they're more fun to decorate for, that's for sure. So I told her
girl first.
that God knew exactly what he was doing, and he's sending little Marshall into this world because somewhere in this world around the same time, a little girl is going to be born that's going to need Marshall. And
that's true.
Yes. And so, you know, this is all part of
She made it right for me.
all part of the perfect plan. And this dog is hilarious. Does he sleep with us tonight? Is he sleeping with us?
No.
Where does he sleep?
On the floor.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay. I was maybe going to
take up the whole bed.
I was maybe going to go to the guest room.
Yes.
So, no, Jennifer, the sign is going to go over the dresser. So, Nini's on. Oh, by the way, this is Noonie. My love name for her is Noonie, Noonie. And now my mom's on, Jane Baker, and that's Nini. So I have Noonie and Nini. Sonia, hi Sonia. And I think I see Robin on too. Hi, Robin. I started talking. I didn't get to say hi to people. So it'll be a green dresser with this featured sign all in black and wood with the bright green pop of the M on it. And no, we're not doing a feature piece over the crib because we're doing an entire mural. I'm doing an entire mural that will be behind the crib. Nene says hi. Hi. Nene, I'm in Kentucky. Woohoo! I'm far away.
By the way, I moved from Panama City Beach, Florida to Lexington, Kentucky for this grandbaby.
That's so funny. I was thinking, I didn't want to tell you this, but I was thinking when I was exiting the plane today that I was a lot more excited to exit the plane in Panama City Beach. Yeah. I'm like, okay, I love her to death, and I'd go, you know, I'd probably try to go visit her in hell if that's where she was. But it was a lot more fun to go to Panama City Beach.
Yes.
So anyways, okay, coming in close. Oh, Jennifer's got a grandbaby due in December. Congratulations, yay. Jennifer, congratulations. Anyway, you guys, so thanks for popping on and saying hi back and being so attentive to us.
You probably made people seasick.
I know, sorry. I'm not used to using a selfie stick. I usually have you guys on a tripod, but I didn't travel with my tripod or my light. So we had to, I'm like, we got to do this before the light goes away from the windows. So, okay, guys, y'all have a wonderful Friday night, and we will be on sometime tomorrow. And if you don't catch it tomorrow, just catch us on the replay and be sure and tell us hi, and we'll see you then. Okay, take care. Bye.